Now, the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams have taken an action against 18 employees for violating its rule requiring staff to follow Hindu traditions. TTD Chair B.R. Naidu ordered last year that non-Hindu staffers will either be retired or transferred from the temple board. As per the TTD board's resolution, these employees will be removed from their current roles at TTD temples and affiliated departments. They are also banned from participating in any Hindu religious events or duties. TDP and BJP have welcomed the move. Andhra Pradesh Minister Nara Lokesh says that this move was already discussed and there's no doubt about having a second thought on the VRS or transfer option. BJP also welcomed the move and said this decision will preserve Tirumala temple's sanctity.
There is no second thought about it. So it's not even open to debate or discussion. We spoke about it before the elections. We stand by it and we will see this issue.
इस तरह के लगभग 18 गैर हिंदू कर्मचारियों का चयन किया गया है। यह निर्णय संपूर्ण हिंदू समाज के लिए बहुत ही खुशी का निर्णय है और सभी ने इसका स्वागत किया है। इस प्रकार का निर्णय वास्तव में बहुत ही सराहनीय है, ऐतिहासिक है और हम इसका स्वागत करते हैं। इस प्रकार इसकी मंदिर की पूर्ण रूप से पवित्रता बनाई जा सकती है।
We welcome this kind of initiative because Tirumala is supposed to be the sacred place. Many people from all over the world they'll be coming. The Hindu rituals has to be very clearly followed. There is a mandate for it. So it is better that the people who have been believers or non-Hindus, they've been asked to take voluntary retirement or go to some other place.
हम नारा चंद्रबाबू नायडू से ये कहेंगे कि आप अपने इस पोजीशन को दोबारा देखिए, इससे गलत मैसेज जा रहा है। ऑन पैरिटी अगर आंध्र प्रदेश एंडोमेंट बोर्ड में मेंबर भी नॉन हिंदू नहीं हो सकता है, तो फिर ये जो बीजेपी बिल ला रही है, ये लाने वाली है, उसमें कैसे नॉन मुस्लिम को मेंबर बनाएंगे आप? यही हमारा डिमांड है। भाई जब आपके लिए वो बड़ा सैक्रोसेंट है, तो मुसलमानों के लिए भी उनका वक्फ बोर्ड सैक्रोसेंट है। तो ऑन पैरिटी दोनों एक होना चाहिए, अलग अलग तो नहीं हो सकता ना, ये बिल्कुल गलत है।
Apurva Jayachandra is joining us live on the broadcast for more on this. Apurva, we're seeing that there has been action by the TTD board against non-Hindu people who are part of the TTD, basically the board, and we're seeing that politics is also broken out with Asaduddin Owaisi hitting out at TTD. What more can you tell us?
Well, that's right. In fact, remember, this is an important decision that has now come out after the recent board resolution that had been passed. In fact, a memo had been issued, wherein it said that all of these 18 members, it is reportedly said that they had violated the rules and regulations which they had taken an oath when they were joining into Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams, which is why they are being removed, is what the memo also reads. The memo also states that these 18 people can either opt for a voluntary retirement or they can opt for internal transfer to other departments that are not linked to the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams or institutions affiliated to it. So this is a statement that has now come out from the TTD board's recent resolution that had been passed at the board there as well. In fact, we're also seeing the BJP and Telugu Desam Party led government, the NDA here, who is supporting the move as well. Earlier on, after the TTD had got its new chairman B.R. Naidu, he had made this statement there which had drawn in a lot of comments as well, and that's the same that we are seeing today after this memo has been issued, wherein AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi has also gone ahead and questioned how it can be right for one religion, but when it comes to the Waqf board bill and the minorities, it's a whole other different topic, and that's the question that has been raised by Asaduddin Owaisi. And this it holds importance because remember there are several hundreds of non-Hindus who are working in Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams as of present, and what will be the rules and regulations that they must follow? Is it going to be what are the kind of violations with by which these 18 people have been asked to be removed? All of these details are yet to be unfolded. But what we do know is that as of now, in the new memo that has been issued by the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams, it is said that 18 people who are non-Hindus reportedly told to have violated, the oath that they had taken. That is why they are being removed.
Apurva, thanks for bringing us those details in that story.